Make a great choice today with
the 2021 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power adjustable pedals, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.